Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. WeMod how to use. For today's video, I'll teach you how to use the WeMod. So to use the WeMod, first thing you need to do is open up your WeMod. After open up your WeMod, once you're here, to use your WeMod, first thing you need to do is download something or add a game in your WeMod. So I have made a separate video on how to add games on WeMod. So if you want, just search it up. WeMod how to add games. There you go. But today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WeMod. The first thing you need to do is open up the Fallout Shelter, then click on play. Wait for it. Still loading. There you go. Bring up our WeMod. There for remote. Once you're here, enter a vault because we have vault. So in my previous video, this was the game that I've downloaded on how to add a WeMod. Right now, as you can see, we're gonna use this the game. Now we're gonna use the WeMod. Let's click on WeMod. There you go. So as you can see, we are down on hunger. So we're gonna add hungry max food. So let's on the max food. Alright. There you go. As you can see, our food is max. And off that, you see there, our food is max. It's 9,999. Wow, our food is max. And there you go. And here are the other things you can do. Unlimited help, super speed, unlimited railway, steam, and everything you can choose right here. So how to use WeMod? So to use the WeMod, first let's say if you don't have Pro, you cannot click on this. So you cannot click on that. Only available for Pro. But if you're only using the free version and you don't have Pro, just click on, for example, right here, F1. Click on F1. There you go. Double here, super speed, F2. Unlimited red away, F3. You're not allowed to click on them. And as you can see right now, you are not allowed to click on them. You know, click on that. You're not allowed to click. You're not allowed to click on that. We will need to buy the Pro to click on it. But fortunately for us, we can just click on the keys right here. Click F1 on your keyboard. Ultimate health, F2, so on and so on. And once you're here, F11 is gonna make you do control F1. Click on control F1, then click to on it, and to off it, just do it again, control F1. So that's how it goes. Control F2 on, control F2 off. And for this one to unlimited it and super speed and all of this are the same too. Just click F1 and click F1 again to off it. F1 on, F1 off. So there you go, guys. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: you can also add an overlay if you want, but you can also remove that if you don't. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.